I got a question for you. Do your seats or door panels look like this? Or do they look like this? Well, if you're saying yes, well, you clicked on the right video, because today I'm going to be showing you how to clean your leather seats. And when I say clean, I mean deep clean. It actually works. And no, this is not a sponsored video. So before I get into it, my name's Garrett. I have a 2012 5.0 Mustang. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing down below. The other co-founder of the channel, Walker, he has a 300 SRT, and we both have a lot of cool mods planned for each one of the cars, and they're all coming up very soon. So if you like Mustangs or 300 SRTs, consider subscribing down below. Okay, back on topic. So, going back to what I said a minute ago, if you're new to the channel, you probably haven't checked out the other videos that we have on the channel. Recently, about a month or two ago, I dyed my Mustang seats from tan to red. If you haven't checked that video, check it out. I'll put a link right here. And when I ordered a dye kit for it, I got a cleaning leather product, a spray, and it works amazing. I sprayed it on my tan leather seats, and also I have a Jeep project truck, a Wagoneer. Follow this Instagram account if you're interested. I also have a new YouTube account for it too. So I sprayed it on, I scrubbed it with this scuff pad, and then I wiped it away with this microfiber cloth. That was all included in this dye kit. But the cool part is, you can buy this spray without buying the whole kit. And I really recommend the spray. Enough of me talking, let me show you.